Life on the farm this morning. The ducks put themselves back in the pen. We have them out so they can go playing. And the puppies are goofing around. Turkey's loose. We'll walk along. Puppies! What you doing? Say hi to the world. Say hi, world. Hi, peoples. Oh, goodness, I'm here. I'm here. Hi, faces. And there's everybody over there. Hello, Turkey. Hello, Wishbone. Oh, careful. Careful, Brindle. There you go, sweetie. Hello, Camo. Hello, Lily. It's our baby bunnies. Where are the chickens? Oh, they're hiding in the thicket. Yes, they're in the thicket. Chickens. Getting the bugs. Lots of yummy bugs. All the ducks. Some more puppy. Oh, why are you barking? You're a turkey. What? I don't know what she's thinking. Our turkey goofy. These two have decided they want to play under that. Oh, well. Hello. Hi, Wishbone. Hi, buddy. Here's a Wishbone. The most badass turkey of turkeys. We love her. Hello, Speedy and Beady. And that's HR, Felicia, and Karen. And then one goofy puppy, Sock, who's in the wrong pen. Whoopsie! Back out. You gotta watch that comedy. Puppies get to moving, and everything, the birds start running. Here they come. Where are the chickens at? There they go. Uh-oh. All right.